Hi, Jyoti, Kajal.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So, we will discuss about JavaScript.
Okay. So tell me about JavaScript.
So, JavaScript is a scripting language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you to look at displaying timely content updates.
Okay. So
Okay.
JavaScript is the world most popular programming language. It is a language of the web page. It is easy to learn. So JavaScript can change HTML, can text. One of many JavaScript HTML method is get element by ID, as well as you know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, JavaScript and Java are totally both are very different languages. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of JavaScript standard, and ECMA script is the official name of the language. And JavaScript code is inserted within the script tag.
Yeah, and JavaScript language that enables you to create dynamically updating content, control multimedia, animated images, and pretty much everything else. So you can achieve with few lines of it all can achieve you can in few lines of JavaScript code.
Okay, so here Java, you can talk about to JavaScript is speed. So client side JavaScript is very fast because it can be run immediately within the client side browser unless outside resource are required. Is it unhided by network calls to a backend.
Okay. JavaScript accepts both single and double quotes. JavaScript can change the HTML attribute also. JavaScript can change the HTML styles, and also they can hide it. We can also hide it elements in JavaScript, and also in we can place any number of scripts within the document. JavaScript can place both in head section and also in the body section.
A very common use of JavaScript is dynamically modify HTML and CSS to update their user interface and DOM API in your web documents is generally loaded and executed in order to it appear on the page. If JavaScript load and tries to run before HTML and CSS, it is affecting has been loaded errors can occur.
Okay, so if talk about its simplicity and popularity, so simplicity is relatively simple to learn and implement. Okay, and popularity is used to encryption or the web page.
And JavaScript also has the function and event. JavaScript function is a block of the JavaScript code that can be executed when it called for. For example, a function can be called when an event occurs, like when we click on a button. Placing JavaScript at the body element improves the display speed because script interpretation slows down the display. Scripts can also be placed in the external files, and external scripts are practical when the same.
And
JavaScript can we can also use
yeah.
.js as for external. When we are saving external JavaScript, we have to use .js as an extension.
Yeah. So JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted language. The browser receives JavaScript code in original text form and run a script from that. From technical standpoint, modern JavaScript interprets actually use a technique called just-in-time compiling to improve performance.
Okay, so if we talk to interoperability, so it is played nicely with other language and can be used in huge varieties of application, and it's it provides server load also. So being client side reduce the uh, demand on the site of server.
Okay. So is there anything?
Okay, so gives the ability to create a rich interfaces, and it's provide like statements, a variable, constant, arithmetic operations, assignment, data type, functions, and object. Its event, string, boolean, uh, condition, sort, and loop, break, error, and scope, and this also. And
Okay.
we talk to JS form. So it's provider form validation. So form validation can be done by JavaScript if form field is empty, and these functions a message and a return false. So the form is provide like form API, and it's check validity and get custom validity.
Okay, so that's all about JavaScript.
Yes, and its object also. So object is a JavaScript king. If you understand object, so you understand JavaScript. So Boolean can be object. Let me define the it's data, and always like maths regular array function and their objects. Okay, and we talk about its function. So function are define the function keyword. So you can use a function decision uh, like it's a function expressions.
Okay. And this JavaScripts are ended with separated by the semicolons. And JavaScript statements are composed with values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. JavaScript syntax define the types of values, that is fixed values and variable values. Fixed values are also are called as literals, and variable values are called variables.
Okay, so here we talk to class. So class is a class is a keyword for a class to create a class. So always add a method named like constructor, inheritance, and it's static also.
Okay. And JavaScript, let's talk about the JavaScript comments. Not all JavaScript statements are executed. Code after double slashes or between slash or star is treated as a comment. Comments can be ignored and will not be executed. So if we want to any identify, give name to the block of the code, we can use comments.
Okay, so here we talk to DOM. So DOM is a document manipulation. So JavaScript can access and change all the element of HTML document. When a web page is loaded the browser, so you can easily use like create a document object model and model of page, animations, event, navigation, node, and its collection.
So,
And
and
JavaScript is also case sensitive.
yeah,
All JavaScript identifiers are case sensitive. The variable last name are two different variables. Means it is a case sensitive.
Yes.
So we cannot use capitalize and small at the same time.
Okay.
So BOM is also JavaScript property. So BOM is a browser object model. So since modern browser have implementation the same method and properties.